YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. Today we're going to be talking about the front spoiler on my car. It's a GT500 front spoiler that fit on a GT bumper. Yes. Now, I really like the look of the GT500 front bumper, but everybody has that. Every car I see on car shows, every car I see on IG has a GT500 front bumper. I wanted to be a little different, so I went ahead and took the risk and I bought a GT500 front chin spoiler, hoping it would fit my GT bumper, and I do not regret going that route because this is something I'm not even seeing anywhere else. I'm not seeing this on social media. I'm not seeing this in car shows. Am I the first one to really put a GT500? Oh, I don't think so. Okay, let me not assume things, but I haven't seen it on YouTube. So I'm gonna be, I don't want to say I'm the first one because I don't really watch every YouTube video, but yes, a GT500 chin spoiler will fit on your 2013 to 2014 Mustang GT bumper. Not completely, but with a little bit of customization, and we're gonna be talking about that in this video. Now, we're gonna start the video with the cold start. Last time I did say I was gonna do a cold start, but I never did it. So this time, I'm not gonna use my iPhone. I'm gonna be using the camera to record. So we're gonna start with the cold start. I'm gonna do something a little different. I think I'm gonna leave the camera on the balcony, and then I'm gonna go outside and start the car just to give you an idea of how loud the car is. All right. Alright YouTube, it's been raining the whole day. It's a little gloomy outside, but I'm gonna drive to a different location on where I can film like the splitter. Alright YouTube, I'm at my second location. It's already like dark outside, so I do apologize for the poor lighting, but I'm gonna be able to talk about the front splitter. So a lot of the cars I seen, a lot of the S197s I seen, they always had front lips, but to me they never really looked any good. Or most of them don't even run like a front lip. They just kind of like have the bumper and it just looks like it's missing a chin. So one of the front lip spoilers that stood out to me was the GT500 front spoiler. I just decided to take the risk and I ordered the front lip, and I'm gonna explain in this video how you can also do the same if it's something you're interested in. Now keep in mind, this is a very low lip. Like if you don't drive low cars, I wouldn't recommend. If you've never had like a low car before, I wouldn't recommend. Now keep in mind, the car is lowered on coilovers, so it might be a different case if you have like a set of lowering springs or any other suspension. But this is a 4-piece lip. So there's the upper lip, which is like this part right here. It's gonna be this part right here, and it's 1 piece. That's the upper piece. Now the lower piece has 3 pieces. It has like a side right here, it has like a middle part. I don't know if you can really see that. It has like a middle part, and then it has like the other piece, so it's like a full piece. And the only difference between the GT front bumper and the GT500 front bumper I found out was that the middle part of the GT500 front bumper is flat. By the middle part, I mean like this part right here. So the GT500 front bumper doesn't have a curve. It just kind of like, it's flat. So after finding out that was the only difference, the way I mounted this lip was that the rest of the body is gonna attach to your bumper. Now, the problem that you're gonna run into, obviously, is the middle part. And on the middle part, what I did, I put 2 self-tapping long screws, which you cannot really see them unless you really get onto the car. You see, there's one right here, and there's one right here. Now, another problem that you're gonna face is there's gonna be a lot of space right here. So what I did, I put a grill. I bought a grill from Amazon, and I cut it to cover this part. So right here, I don't know if the camera is gonna be able to capture it, but I have like a grill, so it's just not an open space, and obviously the 2 screws. So that's the only thing holding the middle. Now, depending on how good you know how to customize yourself, this lip is not going anywhere if you do it exactly how I did it. Now, the rest of the screws are like really long 5/16 self-tapping screws that go from the lip all the way to the bumper. So the screws are really long, and the build quality of this GT500 front lip is not cheap. You know, it's very, I would say it's very solid. So obviously it's gonna make your car look different from the rest of the GTs out there. This will probably be the first time you've seen this on a GT, but yes, it fits. Look at that, that looks so good. I kind of wish I made this video earlier, but this is the way it looks.